Welcome back to my wonderful channel. The headlines: Senator Monday Obolo has unveiled 5 points on his manifesto. Moving on after this, we have the Edo State governorship election. On September 21st, 2024, a coalition of civil society group under the name Network of Civil Society Organization of Nigeria yesterday lamented that 26 days after a shooting along Airport Road in Benin City, the police have not arrested those behind the attack led to the death of an inspector of police, Aquano. Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. Your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today's the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The political fortune of All Progressive Congress APC. Hey, my people, it don't swear yesterday as the daughter of Isama of Benin Kingdom, who is a former member of the House of Representatives, Omosade Igbenedo, and her supporters joined the APC a few hours after she resigned from the People Democratic Party. My people, don't be small matter. She was received at Edo South Senatorial District flag off of the APC governorship campaign, where political leaders carpeted the almost 8 years administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki and the APC candidate, Senator Monday Obolo, unveiled a 5-point manifesto, which he said were security, infrastructure, development, education, agriculture, and water provision. The rally held at Ekenwa campus of University of Benin attracted leaders of the party from the 77 wards that make up Edo South Senatorial District. So speaking at the rally, the former governorship candidate of the party, Pastor Osagezi-Nyamu, said it was the end of the PDP in the state. A former member of the board of trustees of the PDP who recently returned to APC, SHÀTD0WN, urged the people of Edo Central to organize a debate for Monday Obolo and his PDP counterpart, Asui in their homeland to speak to their people and see who go fail. My people, don't be small matter. SHÀTD0WN apologized to people for leading Governor Godwin Obaseki from the APC to the PDP, saying that he was the face of Obaseki to the PDP, that it was a mistake, that they did it for him and they are going to remove him from there. That when they took him to PDP, he won, but now they have left him and he is going to lose. Now, receiving Igbenedo, who was accompanied by 2 of her brothers, Mike and Fred Igbenedo, the acting state chairman of the APC, Emperor Jerry Tinebe, said the train to Osadebe Avenue is taking off and it will stop in Edo Central, Edo North, and come back to Edo South. So the people should enter the train now before it gets to Osadebe Avenue. My people, don't be so better. Omosade Igbenedo said that she left the PDP because the APC had supported her vision for Ovia people, that there was Eastern agenda and she also have the Ovia agenda. Though APC has fulfilled the Ovia agenda, they have never produced a deputy governor, and now the APC has picked their own brother, Dennis Idahosa, as the party deputy governorship candidate. To Senator Adams Oshomole, he said that Mrs. Igbenedo coming to APC was an asset. So he urged the people to vote out PDP and their candidates, who he accused presenting fake credentials of who they are not. Adams Oshomole said that they claim to be technocrats, and in this era of seeking knowledge, they destroy a library and replace it with ShopRite. So he can assure them that their candidate, Monday Obolo, will turn it back to a digital library. They destroy a hospital and they are building a museum for them to reloot artifacts which belong to the palace. But their candidate, Monday Obolo, will partner with the palace to build the Benin Royal Museum for the kingdom. He will rebuild the Benin Water Storm Project and visit the city to check flooding. I reply with small matter on how to stop PDP. Philip Shaibu, the restated deputy governor, called on the people not to be scared of the PDP and their candidates. So he urged them to join him so that they can jointly defeat the PDP. While the deputy governorship candidate of the APC, Dennis Idahosa, said that the contest was between the youth and the old men. My people, don't be small matter. The former deputy speaker of the State House of Assembly, Paul Omobanu, said that election has come and the die is cast and the battle line is drawn between one man's ambition and the survival of the state. So the leader of the APC in Edo South, Odubudu, in his remarks said that the best time to serve the state is now, and they are going to do so. Some people know be small basketball, so guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. A coalition of civil society group under the name Network of Civil Society Organization of Nigeria lamented that 26 days after shooting along Airport Road in Benin City, the police have not arrested those behind the attack led to the death of an inspector of police, Anuako. The group said there were videos all over social media showing faces of the people with guns, but they have not been arrested, warning that the state will be sitting on a keg of gunpowder if those who took part in the act were not arrested and brought to book, especially now that the state is prepared for the governorship election. The president of the group, Emmanuel Obidi, at a press conference in Benin City, called on the Independent National Electoral Commission to ensure a level playing field for all participants and voters in the election. He said the group was not interested in political parties the perpetrators might belong to, but the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Botogo, and other security agency must step up their games and build up the confidence of the people by arresting the culprits, because this delay by the Nigeria police to take very crucial decision has cast a shadow of doubt on the capacity and professionalism of Edo State Command to handle issues in the coming days as they approach the gubernatorial election. So right now, the Edo people will have no atom of confidence if the needed action is not taken immediately on the election. Emmanuel Obidi said that they want to use this opportunity to charge the INEC to conduct an election that is free, fair, and credible, such that no party will be willing to contest its results in court, as the process will be visibly transparent in line with global best practice and the Electoral Act as amended. My problem is so bad. He said the election must be a deviation and of great improvement on the 2023 general election, where Beavers was alleged to be highly manipulated and electronic transmission of results was jesting at the 11th hour owing to a purported technical glitch after suspending billions of taxpayers' money on the process. So while commending INEC on their professionalism during the last voters registration exercise in the state, he urged the commission to ensure that all PVCs and documents necessary for Edo voters to vote are available and worked upon so that nobody will be disenfranchised owing to their inadequacies. My people, na serious matter. They should make sure that the election is free and fair and also transparent. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's make the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, stay safe, guys.